Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the multiplication in a further extent. In the last class we have discussed about the properties of multiplication. So today in this class we will be discussing the multiplication of larger numbers, the numbers which are bigger numbers, you can say. So let us see one example. First of all, now here it is given, multiply 5347 by 486. Now this word by means multiplication. Okay, so we can do it in different ways. Either we can do it directly by the normal multiplication method, or we can break it down by using the properties. So let us do by using the properties. You can see here in the solution what we have done is that 486 can be written as 400 plus 8 plus 6. We have broken it down first of all. Then we have used the which property? The distributive. You can see here. Here you can see that we have used the distributive property, because you can see here that 5347 is as it is, but 486, as we have broken it down into 400 plus 8 plus 6. So according to the distributive property, what we can do is here, this term will be multiplied with each and every term, and then we have to take the sum of all those terms. You can see here 5347 multiplied with 400, then we again plus, will give plus sign, then we'll again multiply this with 8, plus again we'll multiply this term with 6. So we have multiplied each and every term. Then we have taken the addition or the sum of it, and this result will give us the multiplication of, or the product of, 5347 and 486. So this is by using the property, that is the distributive property. Why have used the distributive property? Because it is easy to find out, as well as it takes less time as well. So we can use the properties and find out the multiplication, or we can also do it in the normal way. Say this 9896 by 2347. We can also do it in the normal way by the normal multiplication method. So this is very simple. This is no need to be explained. You already know how to multiply it. This whole term into 7 first we have done, then this whole term into 4 we have done, then this whole term into 3 we have done. So in this way we have done, and then we have added it. All this we have added, and we got our answer. So this is also the normal method, but it takes some time. Also there is some chances of errors in it, and if there is an error, then the whole answer becomes wrong. So you can also use these properties. It is a little bit efficient than this, as well as there is less chance of error in it. So I hope this is clear how to multiply the larger numbers. Now moving on to some of the word problems on multiplication. The first example is, the cost of a steel almirah is rupees 5975. Okay, one almirah's cost is this much. So what is the cost of 864 almirah? So the answer is very simple. We have to just multiply the cost of one almirah into the cost of into the number of almirahs that we need to buy. So we have the cost of one almirah is given. So 864 almirah will be, we have to just multiply the cost of one almirah into 864. It is just like if you have bought one chocolate for 1 rupees, and then what will be the cost of 10 chocolates? It will be 1 into 10 rupees. It's very simple. So similarly we have to do this. So here also you can either use the property and do it, or you can simply go for the normal method of multiplication. So we have used here the normal method, the general method, which you can say. So we got our answer very clearly, nothing much to be explained here. So the cost of 864 almiras will be rupees this much. Clear? Now next problem. Say we have in a packet or in a cartoon 4,912 screws in one cartoon or in one packet. So how many screws will be there in 1,475 cartoons or packets, whatever it is. So say in a packet of chocolate, we have 10 chocolates. So how many chocolates will be there in 10 packets? In one packet, 10 chocolates. So in 10 packets, how many? 10 into 10. So similarly here also, in one cartoon, we have this many screws. So in 1,475 cartoons, how many screws will be there? This into this. Simple. So in one cartoon we have this much. So in 1,475 cartoons we will just multiply it. Here also we can use the normal method of multiplication, or the general method you can say. So after multiplying we got our answer. So the number of screws that can be packed in 1,475 cartoons will be this much. Clear? So these are normal problems of multiplication. You just need to multiply it and find out the answer. So you can go through the other examples also given in your textbook. You can try it out by yourself. Try to find it out by using the different methods, either by using the properties or by using the normal method, whichever you like or you find easy. So that's it then in this video. Thank you and have a nice day.